Okay, so I had someone ask how I do the bottom of my tumblers with my logo. Since I don't coat my bottoms all the way, I cut it off with my cup edging tool, trim it down, and then make sure my seal is reestablished by just taking the epoxy and kind of curving it around the bottom during that final, the few final coats. And then I will take alcohol and a baby wipe. My baby wipes are out right now. And I will go through and I will just clean around the rim like that as it's still on the turner right when I get that last layer of epoxy on there. Well, the second to last, you know, the last few layers, I should say. So these tumblers that I get are from HOGG, and they all have this piece on the bottom, this really hard metal piece that pops up really easily. So sometimes you really got to go at it, and sometimes they're just kind of placed on there. So just remove that. You're not going to do any damage. Take that, you can throw that little piece away. And then I'll take my acetone. Oops, this one's acetone. I'll take my acetone and I'll go through and really clean the rest of the glue out of that bottom. If you have any overspray from spray paint or any glitter or anything stuck to the bottom, then you can take a magic eraser. I usually rip off a piece, soak it with a little acetone, and go through and really make sure that's cleaned off. If you have any spots that are scratched up, you can take this, take some steel wool to it and really wash it, not wash it around, rub it around a bit and get it to, you know, get rid of those scratches, kind of buff out a little. So then I have my stickers I get from Sticker Mule. These are 1-inch round stickers. It's super easy. You just upload your artwork to there. You pick the size sticker you want and how many you want, and they will print it and ship it out to you. So I get everything from there for this, my stickers, my branding stuff. And in the discount, there's a discount code of I believe it's $5 off. The link will be listed, a Sticker Mule link will be listed in the descriptions. So I take this little 1-inch sticker and I don't press it down fully right now. I just kind of set it on there, and then I'll take my heat gun and I will just apply a little heat to it. What that's doing is it's softening up that sticker a bit so that you can smush it flat into that little crevice and it sits in there. That way you don't have that big ugly black mark, you know, from where it's sealed. And then for this, I always use UV resin. If you have a little more time and you want to use regular epoxy or fast setting epoxy, that's fine. But I usually do this step the day I ship it after I clean it all off, spilling it. So I'll take my UV, I'll put a little drop in there. I'll take a popsicle stick and then I'll just work it around. I make sure to bring it all the way even with that line around there. That way moisture can't get in the bottom of that. And it will stay sealed forever. The good thing about using UV epoxy is that if this, well, actually any epoxy, you can pop this up with anyone. The good thing about using UV is that it cures super quick. Like I can set this by my window inside and it will cure so fast. I get this UV from Mr. Nolas Glitter, and I love this resin. I absolutely love this resin. It doesn't leave like a sticky residue after. It cures. If you put this out in the sunlight, if I have it right here on my counter, if I'm doing like 5 at a time, they will set in place before I have a chance to get my popsicle stick and level it all out. Like I just seriously love this stuff. So I take this from here, I set it outside just until it cures. Depending on the weather, if it's a cloudy day, it may take 3 minutes, 5 minutes, I don't know, depending on the weather. But on a nice bright sunny day, I can bring it outside and walk around with it in like 30 seconds and it's cure. Most of the time I set it out in the sun and then I get back inside and do a few things, and then when I'm ready to go pick them up, because it's normally a bunch at a time, it's they're already set. But that's it. That's it. How easy is that? You have a nice clean finish. Your tumbler has your logo on it. It doesn't take away from the design. You're not stuck doing the bottom. That way if someone does happen to drop it on the end, it's not as compromised as it would be if it's, you know, epoxy all the way over. It's a bit more protection. I've never had an issue with anyone saying that that it fell off. No one tells me they don't like it. What I do have written around my logo is not dishwasher safe, avoid heat, do not soak, do not drop, handle with care, not microwave safe. And that's my logo in the middle. The good thing about this also is that since it says those little directions on there, it also has that protection of someone saying, well, I didn't know I couldn't put it in the dishwasher. It's kind of on the bottom of the cup. You can't go wrong. And it's a good way to remind them and get your logo on there. That way when someone asks where it came from, it's right there. So that's it. Hope this helps you guys. Like I said, this UV resin is from Mr. Nolas Glitter. The stickers are 1-inch round stickers from Sticker Mule, and we have HOGG tumblers. It's pretty easy. Hope this is helpful, guys. Let me know what you think.